Time now for the quote of the week. In 2005, the Supreme Court of Canada heard the case Shewiley versus Quebec. It focused on Quebec's ban on private health insurance for medically necessary services. Over 57 days, it reviewed over 600 submissions and testimony and concluded that Quebec's ban on private health insurance for medically necessary services violated the Quebec Charter, and three of the justices ruled that it contravened Section 7 of the Canadian Charter of Rights, dealing with the right of life and security of the person. Core finding: when public wait times are so long, patients suffer or die, and prohibiting private sector alternatives is unconstitutional. And that brings me to the quote of the week, which focuses on the impact of private care on the public system. This is from the Supreme Court of Canada's Justice Beverly McLachlin, Justice C.J. Major, with Michael Bastarache concurring. And they stated in quotes, "The evidence refutes the government's theoretical contention that a prohibition on private insurance is linked to maintaining quality public care." They went on in quotes, "Many Western democracies that do not impose a monopoly on the delivery of health care have successfully delivered to their citizens medical services that are superior to and more affordable than the services that are presently available in Canada." Well, this has certainly been borne out by the rankings when you look at OECD or the measures of the Commonwealth Fund's measure of the top 12 or 11 healthcare systems in the Western world. But as I say, I think we desperately need an honest conversation about this, given what stats we're seeing with people on wait times, people dying waiting for diagnostic scans or surgery. Yeah, I think if that doesn't beg a conversation, I'm not sure what would.